Hello dear Fulcrumers, Marcos here from the HR team, and today, as part of the Wellness Week, I'm going to introduce you one of the most traditional recipes in Brazil, which is the Brigadeiro. And today we're gonna do the fitness version of this very delicious dessert, and we're gonna do some changes, and I wanna make sure that it's going to be easy for everyone. So the traditional Brigadeiro is made with condensed milk, cocoa, and milk, and as you can see, it's a lot of sugar on this. So what we're going to do this time, we're going to do some changes and want to make sure that this recipe is going to be a fitness version of this one. So let's go, let's see the ingredients and how to do it. Alright guys, so let's do it. So this is the list of ingredients. We're going to use only 5, alright? So the first one is hot water. We're going to use half cup, which is 120 ml. The second one I use is stevia and sucralose. So in this case, I use half of half, but we have to use 1 tablespoon. So we can, if you want to use just stevia, it's okay. If you want to use just sucralose, perfect. The idea here is to avoid using sugar at all. The third one we're going to use is half tablespoon of light butter, all right? And the fourth one is cocoa, which is 1 tablespoon. And the last one is milk powder. So in this case, we're going to be using 235 ml, oat grains in this case, all right? So what we're going to do next, we're going to put everything on a blender and then start for like 1 or 2 minutes until you see the consistency. So let me show how it's going to be. All right, so after everything is all set, you should see here, we mix everything together. I use the blender for 2 minutes, and now what we're going to do, we're going to put now on the stove. All right, so our final step is now put on the stove. You don't need to use like the high temperature, just put medium and starting to stir for, let's say, until you're starting to see bubbles, or if you want, until you're starting to see that it's starting to get like very creamy. All right, so it's very important to make sure that it's going to be here for at least 5 minutes, and that's it. Let's see how it's going to be the results. And now, the most important part, let's try it. All right, here it goes. It's still a little bit hot, but I'm used to it. Just like the original ones. All right, everyone. So, try it at home and tell us what you think.